Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons functions in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the shooting methods, and here you have press volume keys too. You can change it to take picture or record video, zoom in or out, control system volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.